Xcaret. We're in the bird park. We've been here for a little bit. We booked our tours. Part of the family is doing swimming with sharks, and the other part is doing like a speedboat type thing. Jack's encountering his first big bird. Oh, no interest.
Oh, mira lo que acatúa.
Look at this one.
That big one? Oh, this one. That's what it called?
Toucan?
Toucan.
I didn't know we were gonna get real life experiences here.
They're meant to get blinded.
I don't trust birds, man. There's some huge vultures up here. This one here. Wow. So apparently this bird park, you get just face to face with these big birds. I don't trust birds, so I don't really mess with that. But it was pretty cool. Ooh, look at her. He said no more water. We're still in the bird thing. There's tons of little birds here. There goes Jack on the bridge. Oh. Yeah, Jack's gonna hatch. What are you gonna turn into? Over here we see what I'm guessing are pelicans. Let's see. The butterfly pavilion. The butterflies are feeding on some fruit right now. Some random stairs taking a detour. We're on a hike in this butterfly pavilion. There's Joey up ahead. And we hit another spot where they have fruit for them. Then there's these crazy ants. What the heck? Oh, we're going all the way down.
All the way down.
We're going to a restaurante La Isla.
And there.
It took us in this loop. Oh, we're gonna keep walking. They're all about exercise here, apparently.
Be careful, okay?
I don't think they're leading us to a restaurant. Stop, don't touch it. Oh my god. I can't even hear them anymore. This man was leading us to a restaurant, and I think he's leading us astray. Boo! Ay, no sé, me quieren matar. No sé.
Es que es el misterio.
What's it? The lazy river's right here. Ma.
Esto es bien duro, esto no se va a caer. ¿En serio? Sí. Si te cae, pues.
Mom's scared.
No sé nadar.
Alright, so we went through this whole maze to finally find this restaurant. So we just came out of Restaurante La Isla with your ticket. With your ticket for Xcaret, you get a free meal. And you can choose a normal restaurant or a buffet style one, and we chose a buffet style one. What's in there? What is that? Raccoons. Oh, there's raccoons. Me. Oh my god, look at them in the water. Oh my god, my children. Oh my god, it's getting in. Anyways, I was saying, you get to choose out of the 6 or 7 restaurants they have, you get to choose a free meal out of any of them. So we chose the buffet style one, and it was sort of like Latin type buffet. It was really good. What did you think, Joy?
I think it's good. I mean, it's buffet style, so if you're familiar with buffets, it's not the greatest quality, but it's not.
It's not bad.
It's not bad.
It's pretty good. We just finished the Adrenalina tour, and it was so much fun. So we do on one of these little boats over here, like this one right here, and then they do turns and all that, and then also the boat goes a little bit underneath, so I am soaking wet. It was so much fun and worth it. Adrenalina tour, 100% fun. Alright, Coletti, what was your experience on Adrenalina?
It was fun. It was good.
The part that I did not like too much was that it went down and we all got wet. So
He wasn't on it. He was jelly. He's jelly because he switched it for the shark tour. Swimming with sharks. It was really fun. Loved it. 10/10 would do it again. So our tip for Xcaret, you don't want to be late for your tour. Claudia and I always missed our boat tour, which is called Adrenalina. We almost missed it because this park is so big, you can lose your way pretty fast, so don't miss it. They were about to take off, but we ran and they let us on, which was really nice of them because they didn't have to because we were super late, so I'm very thankful for that. But yeah, this park has been really fun so far. The food was really good. The tour we had was fun, and on the way there's tons of things to do, like aquariums, touch different type of sea life, and you can go swimming, go on a lazy river, which lasts an hour apparently. And after this, we're gonna go get in the lazy river, and then we're gonna get ready for dinner at a show. It lasts 2 hours. The dinner has 7 courses and dessert, so really excited about that. Here's Joey again getting his B-roll. He's getting ready to swim with the sharks. Are you ready? The amount of times I've heard a baby shark song today just because there's sharks here, I can't handle.
Six.
Okay, we're now at the lazy river, about to get in. We got these cute little life jackets, and we got the fam here, Joey in the back. So it's about, I don't know, it said 10-minute walk, but supposedly the river, if you do it all, it takes an hour. What we gonna see?
Guys, we're at the river.
The start of the river. What is this one called?
Riviera Maya. River Maya.
River Maya. Be prepared for the water to be extremely cold. It's freezing.
Let's go.
It's okay now. After a while, but
Look how beautiful this is.
there goes mom and dad up there making weird noises.
Acting like the biggest kids in here.
But I am.
Come on, play it.
What are you doing, Dad?
Warriors.
We're lazying it up. There. We made it to the first checkpoint. There's 3 other checkpoints, and then we'll be at the end. Pretty quick for the first checkpoint.
We recommend you doing this late.
Yeah, do it later. The water would have been colder earlier, so.
And more crowded.
Yeah, and crowded. We started up there where those little windows are at. That was the first activity. And now we're here to end the day and then dinner and a show later. Excited. There's one every 10 minutes. So I guess that makes sense that it's an hour.
What up, bro? Just floating along the river. Buddy, how you doing?
Getting the hang of it.
Alright, guys. So even if you don't know how to swim, you can do this river.
Those trees up there are actually pretty common in Puerto Rico. I think they're called flamboyant. The ones with the red flowers that are everywhere in the water. Pretty nice. Remember the one in the Philippines where we looked up and there was just like monkeys crossing everywhere?
Más dura con pan es lo que tú tienes, más dura con pan es lo que tú tienes.
Mommy's happy?
Oh my god, there's bats.
Look at that bat, look at that bat. Oh, what's a bat?
Yeah.
There's lots of bats right here. Oh my god.
Look at that. That whole black spot is bats.
Like, that looks weird. What is that, bird?
Oh, look at it. That's a whole bunch of bats.
I don't know about that there. We're entering the mangroves now. If I touch anything, I will.
There's no way this is.
I'm gonna touch the rock. I can't do this right. I can't touch stuff. I get freaked out.
Just pedal soft. Cortocún. Cortocún.
Aquí traen cangrejos azules que dan.
¿Los son de no?
¿Verdad?
Dale papico. Dale papico. Ella es calladita. Dale, creo que sí. Ella no era así. No sé qué pasó.
Everybody say what's up. Yay! Puerto Rico. Mexico.
Really nice out here. What we're missing is just like Someone bring us a plate of food, maybe some sweet, fresh squeezed lemonade.
But I think you really have to be here the whole day.
Yeah.
Because I don't think at 4:30 you feel like you got your money's worth.
You have to be the whole day to experience everything.
Hacer los dos parques el mismo día is not a good idea.
Yeah, it's not good.
No.
One park a day.
So, you don't want to have a chance?
Es muy grande.
Yeah, you could almost do this in 2 days.
Hello.
Go for it.
We're at the end of the lazy river. We made it. It was about probably like 40 minutes. So we're gonna go up and grab our bags because before you leave, you can drop off stuff and they'll bring it to the end. So you can like leave your shoes. Now you have shoes to walk back to your locker. So it was like 40 minutes and it was pretty fun. Dinner now, very loud. With the separating people who actually bought tickets. Some people were just seeing the show, so remember, we're VIP, we're going. Keep going like this. Let us through. Get a 7-course meal and dessert.